Sansui G-7700 from the 70s, late 70s I think on this one. Does work, stored for a long time. One owner, all the paperwork with it from the original owner. Does work on the right channel, but obviously a lot quieter.
My love, hey. I see your waist shrunk, my love, hey. You got some bass in the trunk, my love, damn. How many in this club? Is it really just
a couple of the bulbs are out, to be expected. AM, don't have an antenna hooked up.
I'm telling you the things that I see, my love, I got.
Yeah, a couple of bulbs out. They should be a light there somewhere telling you what you're on. FM, phono, tape, aux. Not sure if this is in sync with that. As you can see, that's moving, so it might be on auto find. There you have it. Vintage piece of audio gear, very collectible and well worth restoring.